So how to translate the Safari page into English on iPad. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one, right? So there are like plenty of different websites which you might access in different languages, right? So you can look something up through the Safari, right? Whatever it is going to be, but you get inside and you essentially need to locate the button next to the URL like this, right? So you're gonna click on the, it's like a square or rectangle with lines next to it, and you can see some options which are gonna appear. So you can like bump up the text size, but most definitely one of the buttons is to translate to different languages. So it depends on your current language of the iPad or the like website's language, and like in which direction you want to translate it. But at the end of the day, you should be able to find that translate button and perform the translation, right? So it's just gonna change it to a different language, and that's just how it works. Of course, you need to have proper internet connection for that to work, but when you're browsing the internet, that is kind of like expected, I guess, right? So that's how it works. Keep in mind that there are also different web browsers which you can explore, like the Google Chrome is a very popular choice which has the Google Translate built in. So you can check it out as well and perform the very same thing by opening up the website, clicking more options, and just translating the web page. But yeah, that is the general blueprint. For more information, make sure to stay tuned by subscribing so you don't miss videos like this one. And I'll talk to you soon in the upcoming content as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you then.